There is a lady, she's walking behind me. Trouble is she's walking just a little too slow. Now there's one in front that's not walking my way. Could have been maybe, but I didn't like her show. So I just keep on going, and I'm getting kinda sad. And I just started knowing that I hurt her kinda bad, because there's no beside me, no lady to guide me home, and there's no room for being lonely, and I'm running out of places to roam. Once was a time when love came so easy. Now there's a question, was it really love at all? The moon and the stars would bring my affections, but the heat of the sun would make me answer my call. That I had best be moving. You know the daytime makes things too clear, and I never knew the day was coming, that I could not escape from the fear that there's no lady beside me, no woman to show me her day, and there's only room for feeling sorry. Yes, I'm sorry that I chased my own true love away. Yeah, but give him just another chance, we might find a